The first stage is placed on the steel frame director, brought slowly to the upright launch position. A detailed checkout of every component is required before the launch count begins. The Air Force industry team operates with emphasis on quality control. This missile is powered by chemical fuels, capable of being stored for fast reaction time to meet the military requirements and exact launch schedules for rendezvous missions in space. The Titan II is earmarked to boost the two-man Gemini space capsule into orbit and to form the core for the next generation super booster, the Titan III. Observers at the Cape watching the first launch on March 16th of Titan II saw a new ignition pattern, reddish-orange smoke, and two jet-like streams of flame as the Titan developed its 500,000 pounds of thrust. The first flight met all test objectives. First stage separation 90 miles out happened as scheduled. All systems functioned as planned as the instrumented payload sped downrange.